In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a GoToMeeting link. If you're ready to streamline your virtual meetings and maintain seamless connectivity with your peers, you've come to the right place. Let's dive right in. When you first open your GoToMeeting dashboard, you'll notice that it's incredibly user-friendly, designed with efficiency in mind. Right at the center of your dashboard, you'll typically find a pre-created meeting link designated for your account. This link is conveniently located under the Meet Anytime in Your Own Room section. Essentially, it serves as a recurring meeting space that you and your colleagues can use at any time. It's perfect for those impromptu or recurring meetings that happen spontaneously throughout the week. Feel free to share this link with your peers or anyone who needs to join your meeting. It's one of the quickest ways to get everyone on the same page without the hassle of scheduling and rescheduling. However, if you need to create a new meeting link, perhaps for a specific project or a different topic, there's an easy way to do that as well. Direct your attention to the top left corner of the dashboard where you'll find a plus button. Clicking this button allows you to set up a new meeting. It's a straightforward process where you'll be prompted to input details, such as the meeting's name, the time, and the date, along with any additional information that might be pertinent to the session. Once you've entered all the necessary details, proceed to save your meeting. Saving finalizes the setup process and automatically generates a unique meeting link. This link is your gateway to connecting with team members or clients for this particular session. It's crucial that you copy this link and share it with all the participants who need to attend, ensuring that everyone can access the meeting without any hiccups. As you prepare to send the meeting link, double-check that the details such as the time and time zone are accurate to accommodate all attendees, especially if they're located in different regions. In today's fast-paced virtual work environment, having a properly coordinated schedule can make a significant difference in productivity and participation rates. Additionally, make sure you provide clear instructions on how to join the meeting, especially for first-time users or those unfamiliar with GoToMeeting. It might be helpful to include a few troubleshooting tips for common issues like audio connectivity or video streaming. Overall, creating and sharing a GoToMeeting link is a simple yet powerful way to facilitate communication and collaboration within your team. Once you're familiar with these steps, you'll find that the process becomes second nature, allowing you to focus more on the content of your meetings rather than the setup logistics. Thank you for tuning in today, and happy meeting.